So we are still in the process of molding blocks. We needed about 600 blocks for the ranch. The goat house, and we are replacing the bamboos for a solid block, and then pull, and we'll have a net with it. So we started just this morning, and we've made a very large, significant progress. We have about 13 bags, about 6 has already been molded, and we have about 7 left. These are the other ones we did last week. Last week we did these ones. This week we are doing these ones. So by next week, God willing, we shall be starting the ranch setting up. So that's how far we've gone this week. This is a very nicely molded block, well set and very strong. Possible Ranch International. We shall to be Oyana.